Hey guys, we received this Tomtoc electronics organizer. It's a travel case for test and try. So this is a water resistant travel bag cable organizer or your essentials, to take you with your travel or on your travel. Uh, so this one you can see is have a double zipper. So there's two pockets with this handle and the strap. This is a blue color one. The colors looks really nice. The look is good. And then you can put in this small stuff in here, like the cables are pouches, and they have a big zipper in the back. So that have another zipper pocket here. And then also the material is waterproof from inside. So you can see, and you can put in all your cables in the charges. So the use is to keep all your things organized. Put all your cables, chargers, small stuff, mobile, iPods or stuff and or airports, and then just put it in your bag. So this will be more organized than a cluster cable things in your travel bag. But of course, you know this is a great thing these days because you have a laptop, you have tablet, mobile, any other things, so you can put all these different chargers in here and the cables. So it's better to organize, and then it's good to use. It's a very nice quality, no issues with the stitching and the quality or the zipper, and then also looks good in your hands or in your bag. The quality and expression is good. So overall my impression for this is nice, and this have the the strap, this have this in the back or the handle, can be used easily.